Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to install IPA Files on your iPhone or iPad without a PC and without worrying about revokes? In today's video, I'll show you the latest working method using the new Esign version that's fast, safe, and completely no computer needed. Let's dive into it. First, open usfteam.xyz website, or you can check the link on description to join their Discord server. On this website, you can see the full guide how to get avoid revoke on your Esign. Before installing Esign, you have to download the profile config anti-revoke first. Click Download button, then click Config Profile. Select the config profile that you need. Click Allow, then install it by going to Settings. Hit Profile Downloaded, then install the profile config. After that, go back to the website, then click Portal. Select the certificate from the list. If you see unable to install, you can select another certificate from the list and try install it one by one. If you see untrusted developer, you must verify it first. Trust the certificate under Settings, General, VPN and Device Management. Click Trust or Allow and restart. After that, open the app Portal app. Click Continue. With Portal by WSFteam, you can install any IPA installer, such as Esign or Feather. Also, Portal supports signing your own IPA files directly on this app. So, if you want to install Esign, you can hit Download section, then click Esign icon. Select the certificate from the list. Tap Install again to confirm. Esign will now appear on your home screen. Launch Esign on your device. Now it's time to import a certificate into Esign app. Go back to Portal app, click Certificate, and download. The certificate will automatically download it. Then save the certificate zip into Files app. Go back to Esign app. Click three dots on the right corner. Click Import. Then select the certificate zip file that you downloaded earlier from Portal app. Click Unzip and import the certificate. You can see the certificate password on the note. After certificate imported, you are ready to import and install any IPA files. Import the IPA files into Files app. After that, go to Tab Apps. Click the icon of the app. Click Signature. Tap Install and confirm. The app will now install on your home screen. And that's it, your full 2025 guide to installing IPA files using Esign with a double USF sideloading portal. No PC, no jailbreak, no revokes. You can join to their Discord server to get more information. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next video.